Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make dalgona coffee. So yeah, let's just get started. It's really quick and easy. You're going to need a cup, a bowl, you're going to need milk. I did coconut milk, but you can do any kind. You're going to need your instant coffee, sugar, a tablespoon, and a thing to mix. You're going to take that bowl and get a tablespoon, fill it up with that instant coffee, dump it in that bowl. I love how this looks, it's kind of cute. Then you're going to get a tablespoon of sugar, and of course, last but not least, a tablespoon of water. And I love how satisfying that looks. Then all you're going to do is just take that mixer and mix it up. And literally watch this. I think this is so cool to watch, so I kept the whole thing in here, but I speeded it up really quick. But like, look how cool that is to watch. And the color changes. Then once your creation looks about like this, it should be this color and about this thick too. You're done. So I played around with it because I thought it looked cool. But then next thing you're going to do is throw that aside and get a glass. And you're going to fill that glass up with ice. And I made a little bit of mess. Oops. Sorry. Then you're just going to put milk in that glass. Look, this is so easy to do. So quick. Put milk in that glass, and then you know what you're going to do at the top. You guessed it. We're going to put our creation, our little coffee mixture at the top. I love how this looks. I think it's literally the cutest thing ever. So just make sure you put it at the top. And I was trying as hard as I could to get literally every last drop because I wanted like more coffee flavor, obviously. So I just kept doing it. And I mean, the more you make, the more you'll have at the top. So you could always up the ingredients if you want. And last but not least, I just stirred it up and enjoyed. The more you stir it, and obviously the more it'll be mixed. So that's pretty obvious.